Ooh. Look at that delicious cutworm.
Lovely.
See, that's the
Get rid of that.
birds. Okay, so we're doing our sweet potato reveal today. So I planted these probably back in April or May. The thing about sweet potatoes, you never know what you're going to get because they're underground. So, ooh, nice start.
Richard, that's awesome.
Yeah, huh?
Awesome.
And this is going to be full of sweet potatoes. Should be. Let's see what else we get.
Oh my.
Eh,
Wow. What a nice bundle. I'll tell you, you
okay,
are a master gardener.
okay, well, thank you, the peanut gallery. Now this was in like just this size bucket, right? So it's pretty awesome. Now the thing with any type of potato harvest that you do not, I repeat, do not rinse the potatoes, because, unless you're planning on using them right away, because the skins are too tender right now, and if you want them to last, so this variety is called Beauregard. If you want them to last, then just leave the dirt on them, kind of brush off the dirt, and store them in like a paper bag or a box in a cool, dry place. You don't want them exposed to sun. And that's all you have to do. And they will last for months and months, if not for the whole winter. So this is like sweet potato casserole for Thanksgiving right here, and Christmas, and New Year's. Some small ones, but you know, that's alright. They'll cook up real nice. They'll be delicious. So this is the first year I've ever grown sweet potatoes, and it was low maintenance, no pests. Just keep it watered. That was it. No special care, just a nice loose mixture. Regular potatoes grow horizontally, sweet potatoes grow down. So just so you know, containers are a great way to grow sweet potatoes. As you can see, proof is in the pudding, or the potato, as the case may be. So that's it for today. Get a little close up here. Not bad. Happy gardening. Peace. Have an abundant day. I'll talk to you soon.